Today is Friday, June 20th, and this is your forecast for the western United States. And that hot weather that we've been dealing with here in the west is starting to finally ease up. So we're going to see temperatures that are a little bit closer to normal. Still, it's going to be quite hot. It is, after all, the middle of June as we look across the western United States. But let's start off, as we always do, with downtown Los Angeles. We have a little bit of coastal fog this morning. That will burn off. Lots of sunshine this afternoon, and we'll peak at around 76 degrees. Temperatures falling back to near 70 later on this evening. It should be actually a really nice night in Los Angeles. In San Diego, some patchy fog around this morning. That burns off. We've got lots of sunshine for this afternoon. We'll peak at around 70 and just a few scattered clouds later on this evening as our temperatures fall back into the upper 60s. So the hot weather that was out west starting to ease up a little bit. If anything, it's starting to slide off to the east, and that gives you sort of an idea of what's happening with the jet stream. Starting to see that ridge, the jet stream going way up here across the west, starting to shift off to the east. Wherever you have a ridge in the jet stream, that's where the heat's going to be. And over the next several days, that heat's going to set up for the eastern half of the United States. And 9 times out of 10, when it's hot out east, it cools down out west, and that's kind of what we're going to see here over the next couple of days. Not something that's going to be super dramatic, but certainly not as hot as it was a few days ago. 82 degrees will be the high in Sacramento. That's a lot better than 100 like we had even just a few days ago. 104 in Vegas today, 109 in Phoenix, so still pretty hot there. Temperatures low to mid 70s from San Diego to Los Angeles. Oceanside in Santa Barbara, basically 70 to 75. Up around 90 in Bakersfield, 105 in Palm Springs, and 110 in Brawley this afternoon. That's better than 117, I suppose. So over the next couple of days, temperatures in Los Angeles are going to peak in the mid 70s, maybe upper 70s, and then we'll start to see a gradual warm up again toward the end of the 7-day forecast. All right, that is your Friday morning weather update. I hope that everyone has a terrific weekend, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things. I think right now it's especially important to stay positive. So everyone have a good weekend, and I'll see you back here on Monday.